How to add a QR code onto Wix.com. So you want to add a QR code onto your website. Maybe you want to put it right at the bottom down here so people can scan it. Maybe it'll redirect them onto your social media account. So maybe, thankfully, Wix has a in-house QR code generator. So it supports all sorts of stuff like URL, phone, SMS, vCard, images, PDF, Wi-Fi, email, Wi-Fi even. But for text, there's URL. For this example, I'm just going to use a text. So it'll be like, hey man, thank you for scanning this URL. Notice that the more I type, the more complicated the QR code will look. You'll have more dots and more complicated patterns. So once you're done with that, you can also change to choose colors like background as well if you want. I don't think it's really practical though. So I'm just going to keep it at white. You can select the sizes as well. But once you're happy, just download this. You can download this as PNG, as SVG or JPEG. I'm just going to download it as PNG. And once it's downloaded, go to your Wix website and then press on this add button on this plus, and then go to the image section and then upload and import and then upload images. Upload from computer, and I'll just put in the QR code I had earlier. Once you have that, click that and then add to page. And there you go. That's your QR code added onto your Wix.com website. Although I do have to say that you don't have to use the free QR code generator from Wix.com. There are other tools as well that allow you to make QR code and then download them as well. So for example, QR code generator, LPDS. And for this, it can be URL, vCard, all of this as well. For the text, I'm just going to say, hey bro again. Whoops. Hey man. Just like that. And on this QR code generator, you can also have this little cute like logos around it. So just look around the internet, find which QR code generator works for you. If you want to use the in-house QR code generator done by Wix, you can use that as well. No issue, honestly. But anyways, that is how you add QR code onto your Wix.com website. It's as easy as that.